Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well going through all the updates given in your school website. Well, today we are going to start the next chapter whose name is Chemical and Chemical Changes. This is the chapter of class 7th whose name is Chemical and Chemical Changes. We see many things around us. These things are made up of different types of material like metals, plastic, glass, etc. All the materials you have just named are chemical substances that are either used in or obtained by the different processes in chemistry. In this chapter, you will learn about these chemical substances, how they are formed, and what they are made up of. Chemical substances. What are the chemical substances? Chemical substances are made up of atoms and molecules. An atom is the smallest particle of an substances. Atoms may or may not exist independently. Molecules are formed when two or more atoms join together. Molecules can exist independently. Chemical substances can be divided into two major groups: pure substances and mixture. These are the two major groups in which the chemical substances are divided. First is pure substances and second is mixture. Pure substances can be elements or compound. First is element. What are the elements? An element is a substance that is made up of only one kind of atoms and cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. For example, silver, gold, aluminium, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Second is compound. A compound is a substance that is formed when two or more elements combine chemically. The smallest particle of a compound is a molecule, which shows all the properties of that compound. However, the properties of a chemical are entirely different from those of its constituent elements. For example, when hydrogen combine with oxygen, both of which are gases, like hydrogen is a gas and oxygen is also a gas, the liquid named water is formed. When these hydrogen and oxygen is combined together, then liquid named water is formed. Next is mixture. What is mixture? Mixture consists of two or more substances simply mixed together but not chemically compound. For example, air is a mixture of various gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapors, organ and particles of rust, smoke and many others. These are the mixture of various gases. A mixture retains the properties of its compound. Example, in a mixture of iron filling and sulfur. Both retain their own characteristics properties, that is, iron is still attracted by a magnet and sulfur remains as a powder. Next topic is chemical symbols. As there are so many elements, writing their full names would be time taking or time consuming. To avoid this, an abbreviated form has been assigned to each elements. The abbreviations used to represent elements are called the chemical symbols. In earlier days, Sir John Dalton, an English scientist, created his own set of pictorial symbols for elements known in his time. The modern system of representation was given by Johannes Jacob Berzelius, a Swedish chemist. Instead of pictures, he made use of letters of the English alphabets to represent various elements. The important features of these systems are: first important feature is the first English letter appearing in the name of an element is used as its symbol. For example, the symbol for hydrogen is capital H, for carbon capital C, oxygen capital O, nitrogen capital N, etc. Symbol of some elements have also been derived from their Latin names. Step important feature The second important feature is when two or more elements have their names beginning with the same letter, one more letter is added to the symbol. For some elements, the second letter in their name is added, such as for calcium, Ca, for cobalt, Co, xenon Xe, helium He, and bromine Br. In some cases, another distinct letter is used. Example, chlorine Cl, magnesium Mg, manganese Mn, and zinc Zn. Then there here table is given. This table shows the symbol of some common elements. You have to learn this table. The element or in this table Latin names of elements and symbols is given. Next,